Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So let's quickly cover Bitcoin because we are down, we're down. So certain areas I want you to keep an eye on is one is basically this area. This is a very crucial area for Bitcoin because as you can see how hard it is to break this resistance level. Okay, we have couple of touch points. You can see over here it was holding as support over here. Then as soon as we broke down, we came all the way down to the low 30s and even touched 29,000. Okay, and you can see as soon as we broke it, we went up, we came down, broke it again, rallied to the upside. Okay, and you can see over here we were holding this as support. As soon as we broke this, you can clearly see how many times we have tried to get over this level. And what is this level? This level is around 45,000. Yeah, about 45,000, 46,000, around that level. So another thing you want to keep an eye on is once we crack this level, okay, once we break it down, then you know that Bitcoin can rally. Uh, okay, it can rally all the way up to 50,000, okay? Once we break this level, 50,000 is the next level, might go a little bit above, maybe 51,000, okay? But and this level over here. This is also a very crucial level for Bitcoin. Let me right over here. You see a candle close below this price range. Okay, if you see a candle close below this price range, then expect Bitcoin to come all the way down to the 29,000, 30,000 level. Okay, so Bitcoin is actually playing in this area right over here, in this box. It's actually stuck in the box. The reason we are having this kind of formation at the moment, okay, is because you can see once Bitcoin broke above 36,000, it just rallied towards the upside, okay? A quick move towards the upside. We didn't have any consolidation take place in this area. So when it came down, we didn't cover this area, so it rallied towards the upside. Same goes over here. When Bitcoin broke this level, the 36, it just rallied towards the upside, and then it just did its consolidation, accumulation, whatever you want to call this area. And then once it broke down, it just came towards the downside. So this is the first time we are seeing a strong consolidation going around between the 36,000 to 46,000 price level. Okay, so in the past we didn't really have any of this accumulation go around in this area. Now you can see when we had this accumulation zone, the price, it did have a little bit of a time frame to come down. So in my viewpoint, this is a good thing, and I'll tell you why. Because if you go to the daily time frame now and you look at this pattern it's making, look at this. So the price came down, okay, came back up, came down. So you can see this is like a double bottom formation. It's coming down at the moment. Even if it comes down and makes a higher low, okay, this is a bullish sign because we do have this support, yellow support line. It's the the weekly support line that we have. If it makes a higher low, it's making a ascending triangle formation, okay? But now if you take a look at this pattern over here, I can also show you something else. Now if you take a look at this pattern, you can see that we have this strong right over here. This strong, whoops, that's a bad line. Let's draw it again. Look at this strong resistance level, okay? And you can see it came up, touched the resistance, came down, came up, touched the resistance. This was a head and shoulder pattern, okay? It failed to break towards the upside, so the price started coming down. We had a price target. So again, you can see the price came down, came up, now it's coming down. Now it's making another head and shoulder pattern, okay? So two head and shoulder patterns. So if Bitcoin can hold this level right over here and create this formation, you can see we have two head and shoulder patterns in place, and it's making bullish patterns. Okay, this is a bullish pattern. So, and they both have a price target towards the upside. If this scenario plays out, and you can see whenever it breaks out, it can go all the way up to, not necessarily, but this is the price target, 56,000. Okay. Let's say um, it doesn't make this pattern. It's still making this higher low structure. Okay, take this off. You can clearly see it's making this higher low structure, and even if it comes down, it can do something like this. All this level go up, and you can see it's making a huge ascending triangle formation, and it has the same target price. Now, whenever the breakout comes, wherever the breakout is going to be, that's measured from the apex, and you can see about 55, 56,000 around that range. So keep this in mind because Bitcoin is actually making this bullish pattern. Let's quickly take a look at the EMAs, and you can see the EMAs are all coming very close to each other. So, it might just, do something like this while the EMA comes closer to the price action, and gets congested, and a breakout will be imminent. Okay, and you can see with the volume in the daily time frame, the volume is coming in. Look at that accumulation volume. And even if we take a look at the weekly time frame, you can see we have this resistance line, okay? And Bitcoin always comes and touches it. So, it will probably go and touch that, and while it can make that ascending triangle formation, and you can see where the stochastic RSI is at the moment, going towards the upside. So I think this is a good accumulation zone, and keep an eye on this box, this, take this off. Yeah, so keep an eye on in this box, because if it breaks the 36,000, yes, the price is going to come down, and then you know that it has broken this long-term trend line as well. Okay, so this is a very crucial area for Bitcoin. If it's successful enough to create this ascending triangle formation, then yeah, and breaks this resistance level and 46,000 price range, expect Bitcoin to go all the way up to 55 to $56,000. Okay, all right, guys, this is it for Bitcoin, and hopefully things are looking good at the moment in my viewpoint, because I mean, unfortunately, because of the war between Russia and Ukraine, because of the sanctions that US placed against Russia, a lot of people are dealing in Bitcoin at the moment, especially for Ukraine. They're getting donations in Dogecoin and Bitcoin. So positive. I mean, it's not good. We have a war going on, but I mean, it's good for the cryptocurrency market. Okay. Hope the war ends up in good terms. And subscribe to my channel and like my video if you want more of these kind of videos coming through. Okay. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.